Fairness. We all want it, and we all expect it. The thing about fairness is that we all know it when we see it, and we all know when something is not fair. Like charging customers for cloud ERP by the number of users they have, instead of how much they actually use. So if your water utility decides to charge you for the number of plants you have in your yard, rather than how much water you use, that's unfair. When your power company tells you that it will no longer charge you for the actual energy you use, but by the number of people who stop to admire your Christmas decorations, that's also unfair. And if you threw a party and got told your mortgage would now be based on the number of guests rather than the actual square footage of the property, that too would be unfair. But if paying for only what you need and use is the fair thing to do, why do so many cloud ERP vendors get away with charging on a per-user basis? Because it increases their profits at your expense. Companies with fewer users often like to pay per user until their needs grow, and they find themselves locked into their cloud ERP vendor. That's not fair. And that's not how your business works in the real world either. You need room to grow, room to allow vendors, partners, and customers to do business with you easily. Having to keep track of every single user or limit the number of logins hurts your productivity. Sure, some cloud ERP vendors say you can reduce the number of users if you need to downsize. But would you be comfortable deleting your user accounts, especially if they contained data? Acumatica believes in fair play, so we have adapted the way we price our product. We want you to realize the true value of an ERP for everyone to work together, securely and easily. Like with a utility company, you only pay for what you use with Acumatica. No more, no less. And we're not alone. We stand alongside many major cloud service providers who believe customers should pay only for what they use, be it for cloud storage, infrastructure, or bandwidth. It's fair, and it's the right thing for customers. So let's make a change. Let's play fair. Acumatica. We adapt to your business.